All right, guys, today we're going to do K and L. Let's look at our K. You can see this foot kicking something. We're going to start with K. We start clear at the sky, straight down to the ground. Now this part's a little bit tricky. You're going to come over a little ways and start at the sky, but you're going to go back towards your first line and then away from your first line down to the ground. So let's try that again. Start at the sky down to the ground. Move a little ways over and come back towards your line and meet at the mountain and back down to the ground. There's our capital K. Lowercase k, we're going to still start at the sky. It's a nice long line to begin with, and then we go back up to the mountain and we come back and touch the line and away to touch the ground. This was always the hardest letter for me growing up, so you guys, good luck, but I think you'll do great. So start at the mountain or the sky, down to the ground, and then we come back up to the mountain and come back and touch the line and to the ground. We get to write another sentence for this one. We're going to be writing kick, that's just a word, and then we're going to write I kick, like I kick the ball. So let's draw our nice K's. Make sure you are writing them the best you can, since that's the one we're learning today. Remember to dot your I. And then leave a finger space, and you're going to practice writing the word again. All right, the next one we're going to write is I kick. I kick. Nice tall K's, even though they're a lowercase letter, they're nice and tall all the way to the sky. And don't forget your period because it's a sentence. Do a finger space and you can write it again. Make sure you're using your nicest handwriting. Go all the way up to the sky to start those and make sure it comes all the way down to the ground. Don't forget your period. Now we have L. So for capital L, we're going to start at the sky and down to the ground and come across. I shouldn't have lifted up my pen. You don't need to lift it up. Start at the sky, down to the ground, and then turn on the mountain and go straight. One more time. From the mountain or the sky to the ground and across on the ground. Lowercase l is just a straight line from the sky to the ground. Sky to the ground. Looks like a 1, 2, doesn't it? All right, we're going to write a word this time. The word is glide. That G goes underground when you hook it. That bear is gliding in the air with that thing on its back that looks kind of like wings, huh? You're going to make sure and write that 3 more times using your nicest handwriting. And then we're going to write I glide. I've never done that gliding like that little animal there, but some people probably would think it was pretty fun. Make sure you put a period because it's a sentence.